In the peaceful village, a young man named Hiroshi often found himself feeling isolated. While he was sharp and keen-eyed, he struggled to connect with others. His words tangled in his throat, his gestures misread, and he felt like a fish out of water. Friends, family, and acquaintances perceived Hiroshi as distant and unresponsive, though deep inside, he yearned for understanding and connection. One day, upon seeing Hiroshi's distress, an elderly villager whispered tales of Master Tao, a Zen master known for his profound wisdom and teachings. Desperate for a solution, Hiroshi embarked on a journey to find Master Tao, trekking through valleys and over hills. After days of wandering, Hiroshi came upon a quiet place where he found Master Tao meditating. Approaching hesitantly, Hiroshi knelt and expressed his troubles, hoping for an answer. Master Tao opened his eyes and gazed at Hiroshi for a long moment. He then pointed to two mountains in the distance, their peaks touching the skies. "Look at those mountains, Hiroshi. One stands high, its top touching the clouds, big but quiet and empty. The other, smaller and simple, is full of life, with its sides covered in trees, birds, and the noise of a running stream." Hiroshi looked closely, seeing the clear difference. The taller mountain, even though it was big and impressive, was lonely. The shorter one was full of life and activity. The tall mountain is like someone who stands alone, unable to connect, even though they might possess immense knowledge or skills. The shorter mountain, on the other hand, engages with everything around it, understanding the language of the wind, birds, and trees. Life is drawn to it, Master Tao explained. Hiroshi nodded, absorbing the depth of Master Tao's words. Seeing his understanding, Master Tao began imparting lessons. First, Master Tao began, is the act of meeting. Like the shorter mountain that welcomes visitors with open slopes and easy paths, you must approach others with openness. Stand tall, but not imposing. Use an open posture, like the mountain's welcoming meadows. Master Tao continued, when you look at someone, truly see them. Maintain eye contact, for eyes are the windows to the soul. Like the sun glistening on the mountain streams, let your eyes reflect sincerity. He then demonstrated a warm, genuine smile, akin to the golden rays of the sun caressing the mountain. Let your greetings be heartfelt, introducing yourself with warmth and interest. And remember to lean in slightly, just like the trees on the mountainside lean towards the sun, showing their interest. Master Tao paused, letting Hiroshi absorb his teachings. Now, he said, comes establishing rapport. This is the heart of the journey. Like the birds singing in harmony on our lively mountain, your attitude should be in sync with those you communicate with. Hiroshi listened intently as Master Tao explained the importance of mirroring body language and sensing voice tones, emphasizing the beauty of synchronization. Like the mountain stream that flows in rhythm with the wind and the songs of the forest, adapt and harmonize with the person in front of you. Master Tao continued, drawing Hiroshi's attention to the way nature worked together. You see, Hiroshi, just as trees and flowers on the mountain grow towards the sun in unison, we too must align our energies with those we interact with. Hiroshi looked deep into Master Tao's eyes, finally understanding. The more he could make the other person feel understood and valued, the stronger the connection they would share. It wasn't just about speaking, it was about truly listening and responding in a way that built trust and unity. Master Tao smiled gently. Let's talk about being real. It's simple. When you talk, mean what you say and show it with your actions. People can sense when someone is genuine. He continued, imagine you meet someone who says they're your friend but acts differently. You wouldn't trust them, right? But if someone's words and actions match, you feel a connection. That's the magic, he said. When you're real with people, they'll be real with you, and that makes a strong bond. Hiroshi's eyes gleamed with newfound understanding. He realized that connection and communication were arts, just like understanding the mountains, and he was eager to learn and practice. Months turned into years, and Hiroshi diligently practiced Master Tao's teachings. The village soon witnessed a transformation. Hiroshi was no longer the distant young man, but became a beacon of connection and understanding. The tale of Hiroshi's journey, his meeting with Master Tao, and the two mountains became a cherished story, passed down from generation to generation. And just like the lively mountain, Hiroshi's legacy stood as a testament to the power of connection and understanding.